Hey everybody and welcome. We're going to test out DTF Transfer Film and Powder with Sublimation ink on 2 shirts. Welcome everybody to a new video. We're going to test DTF Transfer Film. I got some DTF Transfer Film sheets here and some DTF Transfer Powder. We are going to test this out on... Okay, so it says bright colors. It shows black here. Heavy powder. Consult the doctor immediately. Oh my goodness. Oh, so you print your design on DTF film. That's this. You apply powder and heat the film. Press the film onto the garment at 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 Fahrenheit. Peel off the film after 10 to 15 seconds. Suggestion: baking at 270 for 1 to 2 minutes. Hot press at 300 for 10 to 20 seconds. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any concerns with product or shipping. We're always there to help. Okay, so we are going to print out a design. I already have a design picked out on this paper, this special paper. And then we're going to apply powder and then heat the film. We will start at 300 degrees for, what's it say, 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so it says here 300 to 350, but we will start at 300 and see how that goes. We are going to test this on white and a black to see how well it shows up. I'm curious because it does show black, a black hat here, and it does show colors. So we'll give it a test on a black shirt and a white shirt. So here's the paper. We are going to put it in the printer. And we're going to print out the design twice. One for a black shirt, one for a white shirt. So what does this say? I am going to add here that it does say to use DTF ink for this transfer film and powder. I seen that you can use this transfer film and powder for a sublimation hack, so that is what I'm testing out, and that is why I ended up switching from a black shirt to a red shirt, because DTF ink has white. Sublimation ink does not have white, so you cannot print white with sublimation ink, which leads me to realize that I need to invest in a third printer and some DTF ink, because I would like to give this a try with making shirts using DTF ink and this film and powder and see how well it works on an ongoing basis. I do have to do a wash test with these 2 shirts that I'm making here and see how well it withstands a wash. But I am going to invest in a third printer and some DTF ink, and we are going to give making shirts with DTF a try. And because I like the idea of being able to print white, that gives me more options with shirts I can use to put designs on. But that's why I ended up switching from a black shirt to a red shirt, is because for 1, it did not print white. For 2, there is black in the design, and I thought maybe it wasn't going to show up on a black shirt. So I was like, hey, hold on, I'm not going to waste a shirt. Let's switch colors and go with red instead of black and see how it turns out. So that is my reasonings behind that. Something else to look forward to is we're going to do a whole DTF setup for the channel and try that out. And let's get back into making these shirts, everybody. Print the design, apply powder, and heat the film. Press the film onto the garment at 300 to 350. And then peel off the film after 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so we are going to open up this powder. Try not to make a mess. And we're going to sprinkle it over top of this. So we got that coated, and now it says apply heat to the film. So what we're going to do is we're not going to press, we're just going to have this sit under the heat press to heat it up, and I guess it melts it. So we're going to give that a few minutes to do that. Alright, I got one sitting in the heat press. I'm just going to put the powder on the other one while I'm waiting for that one. Okay. That one done. Put the extra powder back in the bag. Trying to do this and not make a mess. Okay. Seal that up. Okay. So let's switch these over. Let that sit for about a minute. I'm going to set this aside. And I was going to do a black and a white, but I changed my mind. I'm going to do a red and a white because if there's black in the image, and I figure it's not going to show up on a black shirt. Alright, so we're going to put our shirt down. I give the shirt some time here because you have to do a cold peel. You can't peel it as soon as it's off the heat press, so I wait 15-20 seconds until I peel this off. I just give it time to cool down so that it peels properly. So once I give it enough time, we peel it, and I think these shirts came out amazing. The colors are really nice. I was kind of worried of the feel because of the powder being added, but it's got a really nice light feel to it. It's not like vinyl. It doesn't feel thick like vinyl. It's not like sublimation. There is more of a texture to it, but it is not like vinyl. And I am so happy with the colors. I was able to sublimate both of these cotton shirts with sublimation ink. We are going to do a wash test, and I will do a follow-up and let you guys know if it holds up good. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, click the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this design, and have an awesome day, everybody.